clouds, both soft and bright. The church stands tall, a watchful eye, as leaves fall down from trees nearby. Oh, the autumn church bells ring, echo through the air, they sing. In a town wrapped in the fading green, a peaceful place, a sacred scene. A circle window gazes wide, like a portal to the skies. The red roof rises, strong and steep, while sleepy streets in silence keep. Oh, the autumn church bells ring, a song of joy, a solemn thing. With each chime, the leaves take flight in the cool and gentle morning light. As footsteps echo down the lane and whispers ride the autumn rain, the church stands firm through time's embrace, a timeless heart in a quiet place. The weather vane spins with the breeze, pointing where the spirit sees. A moment caught in autumn's hand, in this peaceful, holy land. Oh, the autumn church bells ring, through the streets their voices cling. In this town of fading green, a scene so calm, a world serene. So let the bells ring loud and true, in skies of gray, in skies of blue. For seasons change, but here we